Yes friends, next topic we are going to discuss is industry market linkage. You know it very well that each and every manufacturing process has gone through or has undergone through different activities or different processes. Its input, then input leads to processes or process, and it leads to output. Input includes raw material or components. Raw material or components. It also includes different production, or you can say other things that help in the production. Other things that help in the production of goods, that is, or you can say factors of production. Okay. These are land, labor, capital, electricity, market, network of railways and roadways, government policies, etc. All these are different factors responsible for the production, and all that material has to go under through some processes, and through that processes or for that processes it will be taken to a factory. It will be taken to a factory, or it will be transported to the factory. From factory it will again be transported to the market. From market it will lead to profit, and that profited amount will be working as a capital. In this way this process goes on. Means you need to have raw material, you need to have other factors of production, be it land, labor, capital, market, insurance facilities or banking facilities, government policies. Now this material has to be taken to the factory where it will be processed, and the output will be taken to the market, and through market if we are able to sell it, then it will result in profit. This profit again will be invested in the factory, and the same process will go on. So in this way you can say this is the whole cycle of manufacturing in any industrial belt or in any industrial area. Okay. Now, where would be an ideal location of an industry, or ideal location of an industry? किसी भी इंडस्ट्री की आइडियल लोकेशन क्या होगी? Where to locate an industry? There are 4 points need to be discussed. Number 1 is cost of obtaining raw material. Cost of obtaining raw material. It is not cost of material, rather it is cost of obtaining raw material, because the raw material has to be taken to the factory, and for that you need to spend on transportation and loading and unloading. That is also part of this cost. that is implied on raw material, because that is going to affect the cost of production ultimately. Okay. Second thing is cost of production at site. Cost of production at site. Wherever you are producing, you need to have infrastructure there, you need to have electricity, you need to have machines, labor, management, everything. In normal condition, 30% of money is spent on supervision. Okay, so that is also going to increase the cost of production at site. Then you can say cost of distribution. Cost of distribution, because whatever is produced by any factory, that has to be ultimately sent to the market. For that you need to spend money on advertisement, on transportation. You have to give commission to the wholesalers or the salesman. You have to give commission to the mediators. So all this is part and parcel of location of an industry. And last but not the least is decision to locate factory at site. Decision to locate factory. Okay. So all these factors are related to each other. If you have to start an industry, you have to find out from where you will get raw material, how much it will be cost spent on it. It's getting the material, then money to be spent on the transportation and mining of the material, then cost of production at site. Whatever material is brought to the factory, how much money is spent on its production, how much electricity is you can say used, how much depreciation is also applied on the machines, and how much cost of the machine, that is also part of production. Then cost of distribution, whatever is produced need to be distributed in the market through transportation, through a good network of marketing, and ultimately the decision to locate your industry in any part. All these are going to play very important role. So this is all about today's topic about industry and market linkage. Thank you. Have a nice day.